Everybody, welcome back. So today I have Melia with me, and we're going to be making slime, what we both love to do. So first, we're going to take our bowl. Melia, do you want to pour the glue in?
Sure.
You can pour both of those in.
Okay.
Yes.
That's just my phone.
How many texts are you getting? Okay, so put that one in. I'll put maybe the rest of this one in. I don't know if there's any more in here. I'm going to try. There's some in the lid, so I'm putting the lid down here too. Sorry if you hear the girls in the background. They're just playing. Your wig is still better. Okay. And if they're empty, then you can put them in the trash. And pour that one in. Do you think we should put shaving cream in it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put a little bit in there. What color should we make it?
Maybe
purple,
blue.
Purple, pink, blue, like teal, blue, or
Let's do teal.
orange. There.
Or orange. Teal or orange.
Let's do like a blue color.
Teal blue.
Yeah, kind of. Drop of this in.
What if you come over here since you're not as tall? I'm taller.
So I'm just putting a drop in there because I kind of want it to be a little bit of a light blue. We might have to put more in there. Ooh, that's really pretty, actually. I like this. It's like a sky blue color, kind of. This is going to be a really pretty color. I like this color. Comment down below if you guys like this color. I love this color. Do you think we should do it this color?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is really pretty. I'm only putting a little bit of shaving cream in it, just because. Here, you can keep stirring that.
Okay.
I'm gonna put in a little bit of soap so it's like bubbly. Whoa.
I had to text my grandma back. She was just wondering what I was doing today.
Yeah, we're making slime. And then I'll put in some lotion. I love this. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of this. I'm going to put in a little bit of this conditioner. Oops. That's good. I'm going to put in a little bit of this
Conditioner?
Yeah, to make it like glossy. Can you put that in? I'm going to stir this. And the conditioner's kind of yellow, so it's kind of weird.
There's not really that much.
It's fine. Oops. Okay, now I want to put a drop of this and you can stir. This is so pretty. I love this color.
Is that scent?
Yeah. It's tropical citrus.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh, yeah, that does.
It's going to be like an ocean one.
It's tropical citrus fragrance.
Kind of smells like lemons and oranges and peaches.
Yeah, lemons and oranges. Okay, you can stir the activator in. So we put in...
It's already coming together.
We put in blue, shaving cream, color, foam soap, like a drop of like Tahiti Island Dream. That's what it's called. Lotion, and then we put in some like a drop of conditioner, and then a few drops of the fragrance. I'll tell you when to put in a little more. Oh, I forgot baking soda and water. Because that makes it less sticky, just in case we need that. Here, put a little bit more in. Thank you.
Here, pause the video now. You can go get it.
Okay, so Melia she's going to go ask my mom for some baking soda and water. Because if this is sticky, then we need that to make it less sticky. So, and guys, I prefer using washable glue for if you guys make slime, because it'll get off your clothes easier if you get it on your clothes or somebody gets it on their clothes. This is really coming together really good.
It looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah. Oh wait, never mind. No, it doesn't. It's just kind of dark in here. Okay.
So we got a little bit of the. Oh geez, you almost made me spill all that in there.
Oh my gosh, it's already coming together.
I know, I put more activator in it. So we got the baking soda and water mixture. I'm just stirring it with my fingers a little bit.
Don't put a lot in.
I'm just pouring a few drops in there. Can I see it for a second? I want to touch it. Oh wow, that's really coming together.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put a little bit more of this in. Okay, so we have the slime here. It's
Maybe
still
we can probably take it out once it's like not as sticky. You want me to put a little more of this in?
yeah. We're just pouring more and more of the solution in.
It's basically just baking soda and water and mixed solution.
Well, like the baking soda and water. That's just.
And then space contact solution.
Yeah, this is going to be really good slime, you guys. And you guys, you should watch the video that me and my mom made slime. That was really fun. We used glitter glue. That was like one of the. Yeah, it was
watched that video. It's really good.
Yeah, and thanks for comment. Go Angels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! What the heck was that? Oh, that was your board.
Yeah, that was my picture.
Jeez.
Something fell off of my wall. It's okay. It was just
Here,
like
let's
a
take
picture.
it out. You can take it out.
Okay, but hold on. I'm gonna stir in some of the stuff. Okay, I got some of this. Can you move that?
Yeah.
I don't want to get slime on it. And then
It's like a little wallet.
yeah, I made it out of paper.
Whoa, that's cool.
Thanks. Okay. Let me just get the rest of this out. This is going to be a super big slime.
Yeah, pretty big. Okay, here, I'm going to point the camera down so they can see it.
Yeah, it's pretty big. It's awesome. I love the color so much. It's amazing. I'm just going to dip my fingers in and just poke it and play with it. So what I'm doing, if you set your guys' slime down on a table or something to like mix in some more, like to play with it, but to still like make it not as sticky. I'm still trying to make it not as sticky. I'm just dipping my fingers in the solution, not the contact solution, but the
water and baking soda solution.
Yeah, and we're just playing with I'm just playing with the slime to make it less sticky, but this is awesome. I love this. It is amazing. This is probably the best one that I've ever made. But all the ones that I make with Melia are really good. It's true. It is.
Can I play with it so I can get this off my fingers?
Here, touch it, because I'm still trying to like make it wet.
Hold on. Oh no, that was not a good idea. I got it.
Okay, well.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, good job. And you can make really big bubbles with this. Oh my gosh, I love it! It's amazing. I love this. It was my favorite. It's my favorite. Don't you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's amazing. This is probably one of the best slimes that we've ever made. Just put that spoon in there. Okay, put that spoon away. Put that spoon away! I love poking it and making bubbles. It's still a little sticky, so I still need to put a little bit more of the solutions in it. And whenever I say solution, I mean the baking soda and water stuff. This is amazing. I love playing with it so much. Big bubble. Well, that wasn't really so big, but it's still a little sticky, so I'm gonna like put it.
Oh,
Did you just knock my trash can over?
Maybe.
Oh yeah. It's okay.
Squishy.
Just gotta pick it up.
Oh, it's dying.
It's tearing.
It has a slit in its throat.
Guys, comment down below if you guys think this is the best slime that I've ever made. Comment down below. It's amazing.
Taylor went to go get a bag. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fruit strip.
It's awesome. And I brought you a bag with the slime in.
Oh, I hurt my leg.
Oh,
Hard day's work of making slime, right?
yeah.
We went to Botanica today and I'm tired. And then we're going to go to Driven tonight. So
Yeah, at 9:30. And I have gymnastics from 5 to 8:30.
I don't do gymnastics. Have you ever actually posted any videos with me in them?
I don't think so.
Not yet. She will sometime. We could post this one today.
Maybe.
So just here's the slime. It's really good.
Yeah.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for watching.
Bye.
Please subscribe and like this video. And comment down below if you guys think that was the best slime that me and Melia have ever made. Bye.
Bye.